Good morning, parents. I am Miss Friska. I am your librarian, and today I'm going to show you how to use our Get Epic account. Selamat pagi, Bapak Ibu, dan hari ini saya akan menunjukkan bagaimana caranya menggunakan akun Epic kita. Saya akan share screen saya. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, I hope you can see my screen now. So first thing to do, you need to open your browser and find google.com. Jadi yang pertama kita melakukan pencarian di browser kita, buka google.com. Terus find our school's name, cari sekolah kita. Okay. After that, please open our school's website. Buka website sekolah kita. Once you arrive in our school website, please find our library. This is our library. This circle with the S letter inside, this is our SGII primary library. You can click on that. Okay, you arrive already in our library system. Jadi kita sudah tiba di sistem library kita dan kita akan menggunakan Epic. What is Epic? Epic is free online resources, mostly for e-books format. Jadi kalau Epic itu adalah resource atau sumber bacaan anak-anak gratis sampai saat ini, dan ada di sini. Kita bisa pergi ke bawah. You can scroll down on the page, find it here, Epic, click on it. Okay, once you arrive in the Epic page, you just need to click the class code. Jadi kalau sudah sampai di halaman Epic, tinggal masuk ke bagian class code, klik ini, and put the class code, dan ketikkan kode kelasnya. Every year, every school year, the class code will be changed. Jadi setiap tahunnya biasanya class code itu akan berubah. Jadi bisa tanya nanti sama the librarian-nya gitu. So this year, the code is her 0715. Can go. Jadi masukkan kode kelasnya. Tiap tahunnya kode kelas ini berubah setiap tahun ajaran. Jadi selalu update nanti dari pustakawan ya. Oke, once you enter the class code, jadi setelah masukkan class code, you just need to select the profile of your child. Jadi cari nama anaknya. Okay, you can type your child's name here, but because I'm guest, I will find guest. Okay, then click on that. You arrive already in the Epic. You can type any keyword you think like your child. What is your child interest? Jadi bisa cari bukunya tergantung apa yang anak kita suka. Gitu. Misalnya baca buku tentang hamster, maybe for example finding a book about a hamster. You can click hamster. And then you can make a filter. Bapak Ibu bisa membuat pilihan based on these filters. Age, reading level, fiction or non-fiction, which format, which language, or using quiz or not. So for example, for age, you can choose based on your children's age. Let's say maybe 5 years old. You can click on that. And then you can choose also based on the fiction or non-fiction. Is fiction, then it's like a storybook. Kalau buku fiksi itu berarti buku cerita. If it's non-fiction, then it's like the fact, the science behind hamster. Let's say the non-fiction. You can choose also the book with filter, like what format do you want? Book about poetry like this, picture book or what? But if you want to open to any possibility, you do not need to choose any. But if you want to make it more specific, you can choose one. Jadi tergantung kebutuhan Bapak Ibu, mau bukunya yang mana. Kalau mau spesifik bisa pilih salah satu, atau kalau mau lihat semuanya nggak usah dipilih. Then you can choose also, you can filter the research based on the, you can filter the search based on the language. If you want to let the kids learning Chinese, you can click Chinese. But there is no book about hamster in Chinese, then we can choose English. Okay. Or if you want to learn about French, you can click French. I think French, they have it. Oh, they do not have French. How about Spanish? Oh, they have book about hamster in Spanish. Okay, so you can choose English and Spanish maybe. Okay. And for the quiz, do you want a book that has a quiz at the end of the story? If you want it, you can choose yes. Okay, then you can choose any book here. I think in your preference. For based on our filter, it's for age 5. It's a non-fiction. And then the language in either in English or in Spanish, and it has quiz at the end of the story. For me, I would love you to try books with this label, read to me. If the book has a label here, read to me, it means the book has a voice of narrator to tell the story. Jadi kalau Bapak Ibu, saya ingin Bapak Ibu mencoba buku yang punya label di sini, read to me. Artinya berarti akan ada narator yang membacakan ceritanya. So the kids can learn how to pronunciate the book, the text in the proper English. Jadi anak-anak nanti bisa mendengar bagaimana teks itu dibacakan dalam bahasa Inggris yang baik. Okay, let us try this one. Okay, so if you see here, the book title is Hamster. It's written by Julie Murray. And then if you see here, there is a age range between 5 to 7 years old. And this is, they have quiz at the end of the book. Okay, so if you want to read the book, you can just click on the right side. They will open the next page, right? If you want to back on the previous page, you can click on the left side. Or you can use the keyboard also with the right arrow to go to the next page and then to the left arrow to the previous page. Jadi juga bisa pakai keyboard, klik ke kanan atau pencet panah ke kanan berarti ke halaman sesudahnya. Kalau panah ke kiri berarti ke halaman sebelumnya. Begitu. Other way also to read this book, cara lain untuk membaca buku ini adalah dengan memencet tombol ini. We press this green button. If you press this green button, the page will be open automatically and there will be a voice of narrator to tell the story. Jadi kalau Bapak Ibu pencet tombol hijau ini, nanti ada suara narator yang membacakan bukunya. Dan itu nanti otomatis bukunya itu terbuka halamannya. Let's try.
Hamsters. Hamsters make great family pets. They are small and soft. Kate holds her hamster. They like to live alone. They may fight with other hamsters.
Bapak Ibu, you can also bisa langsung press, bisa pencet nanti the pause button. You can always press the pause button to stop the story in a while, and you can have your question and answer time with your child. After that, you can continue it again. Continue, press it again.
Hamsters need a cage. It has to be kept clean. They need soft bedding. It keeps them warm. Hamsters like to chew. Small sticks work well. They need food. They need water. They need a wheel to run on. They need a place to hide. Is a hamster the right pet for your family? Hamster supplies. Cage, hamster wheel, food, water dispenser.
Okay, it's the end of the book. Ini akhir cerita bukunya. And if you want to have the quiz, you can open this website. They will have recommendation to have the quiz related to the book. You can open updokids.com and put the code. So how is it? Let's try. Updokids.com ya. Jadi kita bisa main games langsung sama anak-anak. Okay, and remember to put the code, this one, here. So it's really related. The quiz and the game will be related with the book we just read. So this is about hamster. They have the text, they have the print activity. You can download this worksheet. Bisa di-download, ini kertas kerjanya untuk main dengan anak-anak. You also can watch the video related to the book. Pause it for a while. Just like that. And you can also lead the kids to learn more about the hamster, about what they've read, by clicking this link. And this is how we can connect what they have read with their daily life. And they can enjoy this reading with you. I hope it might be useful for you. Thank you.